welcome to our session today. I am your instructor, CPA Ringo Frederick, and I'm very privileged to take you through this unit, Advanced Taxation. We know very well that this is a content under the revised syllabus, which initially it used to be Advanced Public Finance and Taxation. But under this revised syllabus, we will be focusing on Advanced Taxation part of it. So in our session today, I just want us to look at an overview of what will be expected to cover at this level. I just want us to look at an overview of what we will be expected to cover at this level. Because when you are done with this, we expect that at least you should go there and practice working as tax consultants and also advisors. So on this note, looking at an overview of the advanced taxation under the revised syllabus, we only having 9 topics, by the way. Only 9 topics that will be expected to cover at this level. And these will include the following topics. Topic number 1, what will be expected to cover under topic number 1 is what is known as, talk about topic number 1. We will be expected to cover taxation of business income, 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 and specialized business activities, and specialized business activities, and specialized business activities. Basically, what we'll be covering at this topic, my good students, we'll be looking at specifically, we'll be talking about taxation of partnership. Because remember, partnership, you can look at it in terms of admission, in terms of maybe retirement, talk about conversion of partnership. So the main focus in topic number 1, our main focus ideally will be on partnership. And this partnership, look at it in terms of conversion to a limited company. Look at it in terms of admission of a new partner to our business. Talk about retirement of partners also in our business. So that is what will be expected to cover in topic number 1. What about topic number 2? Topic number 2, we will be expected to cover now what is known as what? Limited companies. We will be expected to cover what is known now as what? Limited companies. So like initially, if you were to talk of the previous syllabus, and taxation of business company, limited company was also included there, which I think was topic number 5. But under this revised syllabus, we will be expected to look at limited company as a topic on its own. Because at this point, you are going to analyze and cover various types of companies from aspect of to do with, we'll be looking at a various form of companies, whereby it is at this point that we are going to cover the concept of dividends, that is a shortfall distribution. We'll also be expected to cover items like taxation of dividends, talk about rental income, charitable institution, leasing entities, cooperative entities, or rather cooperative societies and circles. All that you are going to cover it in topic number 2. And that will make topic number 2 to be the longest topic under this revised content when you're looking at advanced taxation. This will be the longest topic that we'll be having at this level. After we've talked of topic number 2, the other topic that we'll be expected to cover at this point is topic number 3, which in this case, it will be upon us to understand the concept of what? Value-added tax, or rather talk about value-added tax administration. 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 We will be expected to cover VAT in topic number 3, and you are going to look deep into VAT. And the beauty part of it is that there's this concept which again we'll be looking at the aspect of restriction component of VAT. We'll be looking at how to restrict some values whenever we are handling VAT. That is, of course, the aspect of restriction of input and tax claimable. restriction of input, and tax claimable. Now, an interesting topic under this unit is known as tax investigation, a very interesting and practical topic that we'll also be covering at this point. Yes, it was there also on the previous syllabus, but again, it is also here in this revised syllabus. It is always a very, very interesting topic to cover because it is always very, very practical. It is very practical. So in this case, we are talking about tax investigation. That is topic number 4. We'll be looking at tax investigation. Tax investigation. Talk about tax investigation. We'll be expected to cover tax investigation at this level. Topic number 4, we'll be expected to cover tax investigation. And of course, that is a concept whereby we'll also be looking at back duty, talk about factors that may trigger tax investigation and all that concept, right? Then, after we've talked of that case, a very new topic that they have introduced at this level, which is also very practical, which again you'll always be expected to understand probably if you are to specialize in tax later on. This is what is known as what? Tax dispute resolution mechanism. That is topic number 5. Topic number 5 will be expected to cover what is known as what? Tax dispute. Tax dispute resolution mechanism. Tax dispute resolution mechanism. Tax dispute resolution mechanism. So this is what you'll be expected to cover under topic number 5. Under topic number 5, and you'll find it to be very, very practical. You'll find it to be very, very practical. What about topic number 6? Topic number 6, again, this was there earlier on in the previous syllabus. But at this point, you'll find that they have incorporated some of new elements which will be expected also to understand. And looking at topic number 6, we'll be expected to cover what is known as what? Tax of cross-border activities. These are taxation or taxation of cross-border activities. Taxation of cross-border activities. Taxation of cross-border activities. We'll be expected to cover taxation of cross-border activities at this point. Taxation of cross-border activities. That is what we'll be expected to cover at this point. Then, of course, looking at topic number 7. Topic number 7, what will be expected to cover under topic number 7, basically at this point is what is known as what? Tax planning. A very interesting topic, tax planning. At this point, we are going to look at it in a case whereby I know majority of us will always want to reduce the tax that we are paying, right? So what are the best ways which are legal that you're going to use to reduce your tax liability? Either as an individual or as a company. Legal ways of reducing our tax liability, which ideally normally term it as what? Talk about tax avoidance, right? How can we avoid our tax? We're not talking like, we won't say like maybe to open offshore accounts. No. As much as is a way, but we won't be talking of opening offshore accounts and all that, right? In this case, we'll be looking at what? We'll be looking at exactly what is covering us in that you as an individual or you as a company, what are the best and legal ways that you can use for you to reduce your tax liability. So basically that is what we'll be covering under tax planning, a very interesting unit, a very interesting topic. Talk about topic number 8. Topic number 8 will be expected to cover and understand. I know this one used to be there and it used to be at a basic level also, the aspect to do with the tax systems. Talk about tax systems and policies. Tax systems and policies. Tax systems and policy. That is what will be expected to cover under topic number 8. And finally, topic number 9. Topic number 9, we will be expected to cover and understand professional practice in taxation. Professional practice in taxation. Professional practice. Professional practice. Professional practice in taxation. Professional practice in taxation. This is what will be expected to cover. Professional practice in taxation. That is what will be expected to cover in topic number 9. So you'll find that this is what will entail everything that will be expected to cover at this level and advanced taxation. And advanced taxation at this level, this is what we will be expected to cover and understand each and every component, each and every concept. This is what you'll be expected to cover. So, as usual, as I've mentioned that one of the longest topics that we'll be having, that will be topic number 2, because it will comprise so many elements that will be required to cover, including the aspect of digital tax service. I know this is a very new element, which was just introduced the other day, a very interesting bit, digital tax service. We'll be looking at so many new elements also under limited companies. So to this point, my good students, I'll want you to join me in the next session whereby now we are going to introduce topic number 1. Remember, topic number 1 we've said is going to incorporate the aspect of what? The aspect of partnership, taxation of partnership mostly. So this is what we'll be expected to cover, and let us meet in our next class where we are going to analyze topic number 1. Thank you so much, and let us meet in the next session. Thank you.